Welcome to CTC. Today I'll show you how I executed this winning trade on PNUT USDT, and how you can copy trades like this using our platform. On the 15-minute chart, I spotted a break of structure, signaling bullish momentum. This indicator is crucial as it often marks a significant shift in market sentiment. When the BOS appears, it suggests that the previous trend is weakening, and a new trend is likely to emerge. In this case, the bullish momentum indicated that buyers were gaining control, pushing prices higher. Using the Fibonacci retracement tool, I identified the 50 to 62% zone as the ideal entry point. This zone is often referred to as the golden pocket, where price tends to reverse. By pinpointing this area, I could strategically plan my entry, maximizing potential gains while minimizing risk. Once price rejected this level, I entered long with a stop loss below the 76.4% level for risk protection. Setting the stop loss here ensures that if the trade goes against me, my losses are limited. This approach allows for a balanced risk-to-reward ratio, which is essential for long-term trading success. My take profit was set at the previous swing high, which is a common strategy among traders. This level often acts as a strong resistance point, aligned with the 0% Fibonacci level. This alignment provided additional confirmation for my target, increasing the probability of a successful trade. The trade played out perfectly, delivering great profits while sticking to the plan. It was a textbook example of how technical analysis can guide trading decisions effectively. Want to trade like this? Achieving the same level of success and precision without the hassle of analysis, the stress of constant monitoring, and the fear of making the wrong move? Join the CTC copy trading platform. Automatically copy my trades, benefit from my expertise, and watch your portfolio grow effortlessly. Visit insert website link to get started today. Take the first step towards smarter trading and financial freedom. Ready to simplify trading? Check out our website, like this video, and subscribe to CTC for more insights. Let's grow together.